Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to show you how to create an email signature for Gmail. I have a Canva membership and I use it daily for a lot of different projects, and I did use it for my email signature that I'm going to share with you guys. If you don't have Canva, from what I've seen, they do have options for a free email signature. When I did my email signature in Canva, I took an extra step and I created icons. So I did like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything that I want to direct people to, because it's very, very easy to direct traffic to your sites if there is a link. People love convenience, you guys. This is a no-brainer. So after you create your Canva signature, you're going to download that along with your icons. And then I want you to upload it into your Google Drive. That just makes things really easy. It's all set up. You're going to open Gmail, go to Settings, Create New Signature, and you're going to insert that main signature first, and then add those icons in. And the next step is doing the hyperlinks. If you click the link below in this video, you can purchase this one that I use, and the link's just going to take you to my website to purchase that. You do not have to have a Canva membership to get that link, and then you can just make this one your own. I will leave some instructions at the end of this video here for those of you who do have Canva. Thanks for watching.